Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and these are the Prince of Peace Ginger Honey Crystals. These are a lifesaver when I'm feeling under the weather or when I'm having a sore throat. It has a very nice soothing and calming effect on me. It has a great tasty flavor with minimal ingredients, and the best part is that one of the ingredients is cane sugar, so I don't even have to add any sugar to my drink. I use maybe about a third of a packet into a cup, and it dissolves really quick with warm or hot water. I love having it before bed because it helps me feel relaxed and calm. It's very convenient to me to get the big bag of 60 packets that last me a very long time. I think it's a great value for what I get. And that is my point of view.